Hello everyone, this video is about Chapter 5, Cellular Respiration, Subtopic 5.1.3, Oxidative Phosphorylation, and Subtopic 5.2. So the meaning of oxidative phosphorylation is the process which ATP is formed as a result of the transfer of electrons from NADH or FADH2 to oxygen by a series of electron carriers. Oxidative phosphorylation involves two steps, which is electron transport chain, also known as ETC, and also chemiosmosis. So what is the meaning of ETC, electron transport chain? It means a series of electron carrier molecules embedded in the inner membrane of mitochondria that carry electrons from NADH and FADH2 through a series of redox reaction, which is oxidation and reduction, to produce ATP. While chemiosmosis means the movement of hydrogen ion from high hydrogen ion concentration to low hydrogen ion concentration through ATP synthase, a kind of enzyme to catalyze the synthesis of ATP from ADP and inorganic phosphate. So the details of the process you will learn in tutorial later. So topic 5.2 is fermentation and its application. So what is the meaning of anaerobic respiration? Previously we learned about aerobic respiration. Now anaerobic respiration is a kind of respiration where organic molecules, example carbohydrate, are partially oxidized in the absence of oxygen. So the main condition for this anaerobic respiration to occur, there must be absence of oxygen. Therefore, it only produces a small amount of ATP because it is only partially oxidized. Okay, so the meaning of fermentation is a catabolic process that produces limited amount of ATP. Limited amount of ATP from glucose or other organic molecules without an electron transport chain and produce the end product such as ethanol or lactic acid, also known as lactate. So fermentation involves glycolysis. It will generate ATP only by substrate level phosphorylation without oxidative phosphorylation and involve the generation of NAD+. So there's two types of fermentation, alcoholic fermentation and lactate fermentation. Alcoholic fermentation will be practiced by plants, yeast, and also bacteria. While lactate fermentation is practiced by skeletal muscle. So how can it be applied? Importance of fermentation in the industry. So it can be applied in bakery field, in production of alcohol, beverages, vinegar, in dairy industry such as cheese, yogurt. Local examples such as tempe, tosai, tapai. So these are the examples of bakery, in the baking process where the yeast is used in the baking process to produce the CO2 that cause the dough to be risen, to rise. Alcoholic fermentation by the yeast is used in brewing and the wine making. Example, grapes used in the wine making. Commercial importance in production of cheese and also yogurt. Local example, tapai, tempe.
tapai and also tosai. So that's the end of this video. See you in the next video. Thank you.